If you want to turn off app tracking on your iPhone, there are a number of different steps that you can take to turn off apps' ability to track you no matter what iPhone you have. So let me show you how to do that. You're first just going to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi towards the top. And then if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, tap on the little I right next to it. Scroll down from here and choose Private Wi-Fi Address and set this to rotating. It says essentially this will prevent apps and activity from tracking you through your Wi-Fi IP address. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow back again. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. Now, two big culprits that track you are your email app and Safari. So let's turn those off. From here, scroll down. And then once you find the Mail app on here, tap on Mail. And then scroll down again and tap on Privacy Protection. Turn on Protect Mail Activity. And it says it works by hiding your IP address and your activity from remote parties or remote content. The next thing we'll do is tap the back arrow, back again. And we're going to scroll down until we find Safari on this list and tap on that. Next, just scroll down and you'll see a couple options related to tracking. One is prevent cross-site tracking from one website to another one. And you'll also want to tap on hide IP address, not only from trackers, but trackers and websites. Next, tap the back arrow because we're not done. Let's scroll to the bottom on here and tap on Advanced. And then tap on Advanced Tracking and Fingerprint Protection and turn this on. Now, these are some apps, but let's also prevent apps from tracking your activity from one app to another app or combining your information and sending it off anonymously as a report. So tap the back arrow at the top left until you get to the beginning of your settings. So scroll all the way back from the beginning of your settings, scroll down from here, tap on Privacy and Security, and then choose Tracking, that second option. It says allow apps to request to track your activity. There's no reason why you want this to be turned on. This doesn't help you whatsoever, so make sure to turn that off. And then tap the back arrow and choose Location Services. Some of these are legitimately helpful. For instance, Google Maps, you might want to have access to your location. But on some of these, if you don't want it to have access to your location, all you need to do is tap on the app and switch it to Never, and it won't be able to track your location. Next, let's tap the back arrow and go down to the bottom and choose System Services. Essentially, these are app services on your iPhone that can track your location. Some of them are helpful and needed, and some of them aren't really. So on all of these, you can see I have a lot of them turned off with a couple turned on because I want to be able to make emergency calls and have the Find My iPhone in case it gets lost, as well as sharing my location with a couple of loved ones and Wi-Fi calling if I have bad signal. Everything else I have turned off, and most importantly, significant locations and routes. You want to make sure to turn that off and choose Clear History and Clear. But that's not the only thing we're going to do. Let's tap the back arrow and back again and back again. From here, you can see a number of different things on your iPhone. For instance, your camera, your microphone, your local network, etc. If you don't want certain apps to have access to those, just toggle them off if you want to have more privacy and not have them have access. But I would also recommend scrolling down and choosing Analytics and Improvements. And on here, if you have any of these turned on, like improve hand washing so that Apple can share limited data about your hand washing activity or your health and activity, I would recommend turning all of these off. If you don't want to share that analytics information with Apple, you can just clear it all out. Next, let's tap the back arrow and choose Apple Advertising as well and turn off personalized ads that track your activity just to sell you better ads and better products. After you've done that, we go through here, Apple Intelligence Report, iCloud Report, etc. Make sure to turn off all of those activities or reports because, again, you don't necessarily need them. They don't help you out in any way. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. and thanks for watching.